It's a scorcher here, 26 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna give you a room tour when I get a chance later on. Okay, so this is take 2 because Alonso didn't press the record button. Alonso, you're the naughty boy this time. And we've shaken off again. It often happens once. Well, first time it's happened to me. Just the wind probably wasn't right, yeah. Muito obrigado. And guess what, folks? We're back to continue Portugal 2024, and it's Madeira Airport. And as usual, hundreds of people come to greet me as I enter the airport. Now let's look for Albi, who has the hire car from Vanity Blend. So this is Albi, he's come to pick us up from Vanity Blend. We're using his services once again. It's a scorcher here, 26 degrees Celsius for the airport and the surrounding Santa Cruz area. So Albi, how's your day been?
Very good, very good.
I hope you weren't worried about us because we circled around about 3 times.
Yeah, that's right.
Right, so he's going to sort us out, and it's down below with the car. And we're choosing the same one as last time, a Seat Ibiza. Wasn't that absolutely gorgeous there with the blue hour? It's after sunset. We're settled into the apartment now, which is just over there. I'm going to give you a room tour when I get a chance later on. I did not see that step there. That's dangerous. I'll know for next time. Should I include that in the bloopers? No, I'll put it into the main vlog. Anyway, I'm going to go into the Forum, which is a shopping centre right next door, which you can see out of my bedroom window. I'm going to go to my favourite store, Pingo, Doce, and buy some groceries because I'm going to cook me breakfast in the morning. So I've got to find the right way in. I can't remember which way, but try as I might. That's the side of it in front of me, and just up there, that's the balcony of the apartment. Yes, it's a side entrance there which I wasn't aware of. So we shall go in and I shall show you this shopping centre in all its glory. It's got quite a few designer names in here. In fact, I think this is the first shopping centre in Madeira which I've shown you. Yeah, to my knowledge, unless I stand corrected. So here we are. And I hope this isn't copyright music, but I better just keep on talking over it just in case it is, because I don't want a copyright strike or anything like that. One thing you'll notice as well is absolutely spick and span. Not a single piece of litter, and the floor is well polished. Right in the middle there you have a cafe. And you can still get coffee, I'd say, this time of the night. Temperature's now 22 Celsius, by the way. I don't think the temperature's going to drop below 21 at all overnight. And it is the last day of September. We're a week into autumn. And there's McDonald's. Am I loving it? No, I'm going to try local food. We're in Portugal. We are continuing Portugal 2024 series for as long as I can. So this food court is actually very colourful with the green and the orange chairs. It's KFC there. I've not touched any of that for years. And let's have a look this way. Oh, I know where we are now. Just to the left there. This was where I entered when I first came here 2.5 years ago. So now I know where I am. I have to try and find my way down the stairs because Pingo Doce is down below. Ooh, I like this. The purple to complement the orange and the green, if those colours go together at all. You tell me. Ah, here we are. The escalator heading down. So we'll take these. I think the last escalator I was on was in Albufeira, and that was outdoors, if you remember that one. Now, how do I get down even further? We want to get down to that level just there. I'll just keep walking till I find it. I wonder I shall take those steps going back the original way whence I visited back in April 2022. Yeah. So I've gone around and round in circles just to show you this, my dedication, hard work, just for you guys watching this. You better appreciate me. Right, we are there. We're on the correct level for Pingo Doce. And a little kids playground there. And CNA, if any of you in the UK remember CNA, I don't know if they came to Ireland, but I grew up wearing their clothes and fancy seeing one here. They're all gone in the UK. Oh! I just noticed those escalators, don't know where they came from. I could have taken them if I knew where to get them from. But it looks like they were directly below the ones I took earlier. Silly me. Ooh, Mr. Minute. I've seen them in the UK. Want to get your keys cut and shoe repairs? And here we are, Pingo Doce. So I'll go in there and get my groceries, and you can leave me in peace for that.
For your Pingo Doce.
So I'm out for my first dinner since I got here. We're literally round the corner at Ajuda. As you can see there on the hygienically wrapped cutlery, and it's colourful too. So this is more of a Portuguese Italian fusion place, and the staff aren't Italian here. I think they're Portuguese, because I asked the chap on duty if he was Italian, and I would have greeted him when I said that if he was. So there's a lot of pork on the menu, and you know, of course I don't eat pork, so he suggested something. It's a fusion of Portuguese dish and Italian dish, which you will see shortly. He's always on his phone. He's worse than me. What did you order, Alonso?
Ravioli de frango.
Can you remember what I ordered? Was it beef steak with egg? Portuguese steak with tagliatelle. It's an unusual combination, but when in Funchal or when in Rome or wherever you want to be, gotta try it anyway. Oh, another thing as well, I used an app called The Fork, and that gives you around 30% off if you look for the discount, because being a savvy and budget traveller, I look out for things like that. So prices aren't too bad here. I think my dish is about $10.50 minus 30%. So I got myself a real bargain. And here it is. That's Alonso's. And this is mine. Muito obrigado, senora. So this is mine here. Get a closer look at that. Now, I've never tried anything like this before, so there's always a first time. Okay, so this is take 2 because Alonso didn't press the record button. Alonso, you're the naughty boy this time.
You're a naughty boy!
So I'm gonna have to try this again. So you can already see I've partly eaten it. No steak knife on it. So lots of tagliatelle. They've been very generous with it. Wrap it up with the steak and trying not to make too much of a mess, and that is not bad at all. I think the price is $10.50, and then with the 4 cap you get 30% off, so I cannot complain at that because it's filling. Loads of it. 2 pieces of steak actually, and the egg there. And Alonso, you have the chicken ravioli, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, and you can tuck into it now. You can leave us all in peace to enjoy our supper. Yes. What do you want? You have to room tour or something? Okay, I guess I'd better give you a room tour. So, this is the fabulous apartment I'm staying in. It is absolutely spacious. Oh, it's full of life, full of soul, and just look at that. They have been kind enough to leave me a fruit bowl with some local goodies. Oh, look at these mangoes. They're from Falla dos Padres. You'll remember in my vlog from earlier this year, I visited there. I went down in the cable car. Some honey cake, local biscuits, and Madeira vinho, the famous stuff. And some local bananas too. Madeira is actually famous for bananas. Right, let me continue this tour. Enough about food, you get enough of it here. It's the kitchen unit. Yes, it is absolutely modern. In fact, I had problems trying to operate the microwave and the oven and the cooker because, as you can see, there's no dials, it's all push button. But I managed it in the end, it was all good fun. So let us continue. There's recycled units there. There's a plastic, paper, card, and bottles there. And let us continue. You can see all the comfy chairs, that lovely couch. I sat on it earlier, and I was just so relaxed. In fact, I'd better just stop this because there's a danger of me falling asleep. Okay, there's high-speed internet. I logged it, and it was half a gig download and upload. And this is a piece de resistance. The view on Estrada Monumental, one of the most famous roads in Funchal. Ocean view, of course. That's looking southwards over the Atlantic Ocean. And that building there, right in the center of the frame, that is actually interesting. I have to take a closer look at that if I can. I don't know who owns that or what the history is behind it. And this is the Forum Shopping Centre. So if you stop for anything, you have a local Pingo Doce there, and dare I say, a McDonald's. So it's only 2 minutes. See the entrance just there? Just walk all the way around the outside of the apartment and you will get to it. Oh, and before I forget, this is the way I exited onto the balcony. That's Alonso's suntan cream and watch. And those chairs are comfy as well because when I arrived yesterday afternoon, I sat there with my drink, watching the world go by. There's another table there. Back into the apartment via the other door. So, show you this. There's a small convenience here, and yes, it's all automatic lighting as well, and a lovely fragrance. They've made an effort in this place to make sure everything smells good, and I like this because you can put your slippers and shoes in, so you're not traipsing around spreading the dirt from outside. So this is one of the bedrooms here. The ensuite, along with it, that's the bath. And everything here is actually pretty new because I think this apartment came into being sometime last year. A lovely double bed there and a view looking outwards. Estrada Monumental in that direction and the Forum Shopping Centre there. And you have a TV as well and a vanity mirror. There's me, hello. Right, and let's check out the other room. By the way, the lights here, they turn on automatically, which I like. So if you're stuck in the dark, you're sorted. Now this is the room I'm staying in. So it's already lived in. You can see my toiletries there. And 2 sinks. So one for my left hand, one for my right hand. And the shower as well. It has that format above and you have the nozzle type one further down. And this is the bed itself. And I had a great night's sleep here last night. The bed is absolutely comfy. And I have a balcony here as well. And that faces the shopping centre too. And a couple of tables and chairs to boot. So I could have breakfast there if I wanted to, whilst watching the world go by. Another TV and another mirror to say hi. And I like these cupboards here because the fact that when you open it, ta-da, it has a light in it. Do you know that t-shirt? So that is so handy as well. I actually love this apartment. Wonder if it's available for sale. Can I afford it? If I get enough views on YouTube, keep watching my videos, and then hopefully I'll be able to afford something like this. But in the meantime, I will leave details below in the description. I thoroughly recommend this place. And yeah, check it out. And it's not as expensive as it seems, especially if there's maybe 4 of you sharing. But it's just myself and Alonso in this one. We left Lottie behind. Wish you were here, Lottie, anyway, and hopefully you're not missing us too much. Right, don't know what I'm going to do next, but I'll surprise you.
Leave the cars here or downstairs?
Whichever's easier for you.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Yes, it's the side entrance. So I'm out for my first dinner of... I'll start again. Cut. Now, see there, the red there. Oh, it's recording, okay. So just do that a bit harder, okay? Really hard. Right, take 2. Keep, right, move back and then move forward, okay? Go! No, don't open the door. And here's Alonso. He doesn't come with the apartment per se, but I'm sure if you give him a good enough price, you can rent him with it.